Hi, and welcome to our softball field here at Feather River College. This is where we practice and play games. Right past right field over there, we have a turf hitting batting cage. We have beautiful bullpens, a press box where we listen to music and announce our games. Our infield is kept up very nicely by our coaches and team. We have beautiful grass that's mowed nearly every day. And it's honestly hard to have a bad day with views like this. Hi, and welcome to our softball clubhouse. Let's take a look inside. So right in on your left, we have our restrooms and our washer and dryer over there for our uniforms. We got our ice machine right here. You walk in a little bit more and we have our training table, a little lounge area and a place to do homework. We have our head coach's office right over here, and this is the locker room. And we have all of our cubbies where we hang our jerseys, and this is a good place to come in, listen to music, and just vibe before a game, as well as watching film on the TV. And right over here we have our assistant coach's office.